Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Sway Away and we have finally reached on the last day of Navratri series and I'm very happy क्योंकि मुझे लगा नहीं था कि मैं ये 9 दिन कंप्लीट कर भी पाऊंगी. तो आई थॉट आज का लुक बहुत ज़बरदस्त लुक होना चाहिए. मुझे पहले लगा कुछ अच्छा ग्लैम लुक करते हैं, फिर मुझे लगा नहीं कुछ ऐसा करते हैं थोड़ा फन भी रहेगा और थोड़ा डिफरेंट भी रहेगा. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो अ बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. आई थॉट आई विल जस्ट ट्राई टू फॉलो हर ट्यूटोरियल एंड लेट्स सी कि क्या लुक बनता है. एक्साइटमेंट देख रहा हूँ लास्ट दिन का. द बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस जिसका ट्यूटोरियल आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो इज सोनम कपूर. ये क्यों मैंने ये चूज़ किया मुझे पता नहीं, बिकॉज उसमें ट्यूटोरियल लिखा गया था. बाकी बहुत सारे जन ने ऐसे मेकअप वीडियोस डाले हैं बहुत सारे एक्ट्रेसेस लोगों ने, बट स्टिल सोनम कपूर का फुल फ्लेज्ड मेकअप लगा मुझे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू फॉलो दैट. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video.
Let's start with my skincare. So I just take a packet on my skin.
Vitamin C. I'll apply my cream. Oh, she's going to
Another
apply
one of my
it.
doctor's Dr. Katza is NA. I also put it under my eyes. As an actor,
You can't do a lot of stuff like with fillers and Botox and stuff like
Same.
that.
Like actors don't want to do it and I can't afford to do it.
I use my Dr. Strong's anti-pimple drops. Special
Anti-pollution drops. I can apply sunscreen.
forehead. I am like lot of
Like, I have many spots on my face.
Get on my neck.
Okay.
Point on my lips.
She's applying coconut oil on her skin. That too by Forest Essentials. ठीक है. Forest Essential का coconut oil कितने रुपए का आता है? Let's see. What? Almost like 1000 rupees का है ये coconut oil. उसके लिए हमारे पास दूसरा जुगाड़ है Vaseline. कोई 1000 rupees देने का जरूरत नहीं है. This is just for 10 rupees. And even I use Vaseline on my eyebrows sometimes.
What's it on my face? So
Even I
I have this corrector that I like to use. Orange corrector.
Orange
I
corrector.
don't find many products for like Indian girls or like girls on my color.
That's true. Indian मैंने कुछ सामने ऑरेंज लगा दिया यार. Okay, कोई बात नहीं, हम यहाँ से शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. इंडियन स्किन टोन को मैच करने वाला फाउंडेशंस एंड कंसीलर्स काफ़ी कम आते हैं, बट स्टिल दिस वीडियो इज अपलोडेड इन 2019. पर अभी काफ़ी बेटर हुआ है. मेबेलिन का काफ़ी शेड्स है जो इंडियन टोन को मैच करता है, पर उसका ऑरेंज कैरेक्टर बिल्कुल भी ऑरेंज नहीं दिखता. जहाँ पे भी पिगमेंटेशन है शी अप्लाइंग. Should I apply it all over my face? So she hasn't mentioned कि मैं हनुमान लगूंगा. So she hasn't mentioned कि कौन सा concealer she is using. I guess I am using LA Pro Girl concealer. And I must say this is very nice. सारे पिगमेंटेशन को डेवलप करेंगे आज, एक को भी बाहर आने में देंगे. Okay.
Pink and yellow in us. So I honestly haven't found a foundation or anything that I can use. So not correction. Round one, please guys. I know you guys are discussing.
Yeah guys, I can't even afford it guys. So I'm going to apply foundation next. So the foundation that she is using is Bobbi Brown and she's very sad कि वो foundation अभी नहीं बनाते हैं. But I'm very happy क्योंकि I'm going to use Maybelline the Fit Me foundation and this works best for me. think she applied foundation. अगर उसने concealer लगाया है अभी तो मेरा पछतावा हो गया. Basically, she had applied concealer first and then foundation. मेरे को लगा वो foundation था तो मैंने foundation लगाया. But कोई नहीं. She has given full on coverage. Like थोड़ा सा भी कोई pigmentation marks को रखा नहीं है. सारे conceal कर दिए. Nice.
Well, online and got to talk, I guess.
You were really badly wanting one.
Okay, so my foundation, my concealer and my corrector is done, and now I'm going to just add a little bit of foundation because I don't need much more than this. So this is like,
So there's no one to mix foundation for me. So if any of you are interested to mix foundation for me, please address
Everybody
Aarti
has
DM
their
check
own
करो.
styles of doing makeup.
Everybody
And
has a different way of doing makeup. So do I. I am everybody. Everybody's doing it.
I have this amazing powder from La Mer that I use.
Love it. Even I have one amazing powder from Lakme.
Got a little bit of shine on it.
It's got a little bit of it's got a little bit of rose powder in it, and it says it has even sunscreen in it. So
Okay, so it kind of reflects out of your like under eye. And
that I don't know if it will
So I
work or
put this
not.
under my eye. Before I
Only
put
under.
my powder under my eye, I basically take my sponge and get rid of the lines,
Okay.
which I have after 30 minutes.
I'm sorry.
And I kind of just push it in.
I'm not 30 yet. Okay. So I have to push it.
The rest of it.
Oh.
And then I just take it, put it in my A lot of people don't use color, and I think color.
I'm not 30 yet. So I'm going to apply it all over my face. I know. मेरे को लगाना है.
Let's start with the eye, which is the fun part. I'm using this NARS pencil to do this smudgy concealer.
Okay, she's going to use NARS and I'm going to use Iconic because I'm supersonic. I can't afford NARS, so I'm going with Iconic. So मैं बार-बार afford नहीं करने के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, but that's just fun हाँ. अगर मैं चाहूँ तो मैं अंबानी का बंगला भी खरीद सकती हूँ. So just chill guys, just chill. Okay, so basically she's just drawing it over her eyelids and under like near her waterline. मैं उनका videos देख के मैं भी खुद ऐसे बात करने लगती हूँ. Yeah. Who am I kidding? I want to use two hands. Okay, so basically she is using contour powder to just brush over, like smudge her eyeliner. So I'm going to darken whatever I have just applied because and it looks nice, right? Okay, go Sonam, go. Okay, now she's going to apply kajal. Kajal's done. Weirdly, what's so weird about it? Jumanji. Same sister, I can relate to you.
Blush that I've been using for a long time.
Okay, the blush that I have been using throughout the series is Revolution for eyeshadow palette. And eyeshadow palette saying I've been taking somewhat like pink color which she is taking.
a little bit of bronzer.
A little bit of bronzer. हमारे पास एक palette है जिससे हम सब करेंगे. Even I took the same brush. Oh, अच्छा eyeshadow brush. मेरे को लगा contour करने जा रही हूँ. क्या हुआ? Okay, she's applying highlighter. I'm not a star, but I want to feel like a star. So I'm going to apply some highlighter here and there, like anywhere.
The most important thing in eye.
So I'll just go and get my lash color. Yes, so now. Then
He
आगे का
always
क्या?
asks me, what, why did you do this? I was like, that. So usually I just close my eyes.
सोनम रुको यार, मेरा lash को अलग करके नहीं हुआ. Okay, now she is applying mascara. Again, she hasn't mentioned her brand's name, so I'm going to use whatever I feel like. Iconic का mascara ले लो. She's closing her eyes. How do you apply closing? काफी टाइम. छोड़ो.
This is something that just lasts on my lips all the time.
She didn't do her eyebrows. Did she? उसने तो eyebrow किया ही नहीं.
My favorite couple.
NARS.
Again,
She's using red lipstick. Wait, I'll just do one thing. I'll quickly change the outfit and come, and I'll see if it goes with the outfit. तो मैं quickly जाके outfit change करके आती हूँ, and then we can see that we created by following Sonam Kapoor's tutorial. So, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm back. पर्पल कलर, फाइनल कलर. ठीक है, आउटफिट के साथ तो हो गया है. अभी हम लोग जैसे इसमें सोनम कपूर ने किया है वैसे रेड लिपस्टिक लगा के देखते हैं. We went up slightly bent overboard with the lipstick. Also, my outfit, मैं आपको पूरा outfit जरूर बताऊंगी. बहुत जुगाड़ किया है मैंने इसको एक मैचिंग कुछ पहनने के लिए. So I have worn this. Super easy. I'm not married, so I'm not trying to do that. Basically, she's applying a black bingy. And she's also wearing huge earrings. I'm going to wear this. That's it. She has maintained this middle partitioned bun or something, so I'm going to do that. I'm talking in English. Shayad, as I said, if you watch Sonam Kapoor for like 20 minutes straight, you start to talk in English like her. So I am back. I just dyed a low ponytail, and also मैंने थोड़ा सा puff ऐसे पीछे रखा है. That's it. That's her look. That's the tutorial that I followed and created this look. Honestly, मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा वो tutorial follow करने को. Even I have started talking like her, and I'm really sorry if it's irritating you, Sonam. I'm really sorry. And that's it. We have reached the final day, and thank you so much for supporting. I'll be coming up with a new video जब भी मेरा मन करे, because अभी मेरे पे pressure नहीं है हर दिन में video डालने के लिए, but I really enjoyed this challenge. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below how you like this video. Thank you so much. I love you, and फिर से मेरे हाथ पे आ गया है. See you very soon.